Alright, so we've got Arjun here. Arjun, I know him for the last 6 years, right? They say good things like come in small packets and also a smile. Arjun, tell me what do you like about running?
It's always fun to run. So I love running and like being in the nature. It gives me kind of like a meditation feeling while I'm running. That's why I want to do this again and again.
Okay, now tell the truth. It's real. It's real. So, I think running is also about networking, right? Yes. Building meaningful relationships. I also believe, it's about mindfulness. But Arjun, for this run which you're doing now, this 20K run, how are you practicing? What's the motto you want to tell all the fellow runners? Like, are there some techniques you use? Are there some things you do which you would want others to know about?
I would say continuously run. Enjoy while you are running. Also, like ensure you hydrate yourself very well. Stretch before you start running. So that way you don't have a lot of cramps or anything like that.
And avoid the potholes. Thank you, Arjun. Arjun, it's a pleasure to meet you. We've known Arjun. I've known him for the last 6 years. Last time we met was on an alcohol-soaked night on 31st December. We won't tell what happened on 1st of Jan. But jokes apart, it's great to see you. Great to see you. And great to see everybody out. Can we clap for Arjun, everybody? Yeah? We also got a... Someone, come. You come with your father?
Yeah.
This is your first run or you've run earlier?
5K.
5K?
Yeah, only 5K.
Only 5K? Okay. And tell me this, what do you like about running so much?
I like the nature, the atmosphere I get while running. So that's why I run.
And how old are you?
13.
13 years old and you're running and you like nature and the atmosphere. So have you been bribed by your father or is it something which you genuinely love?
My father.
Your father's bribed you for this?
No,
Is it like a good lunch after this?
no, it's natural.
And do you have a running partner? Only your father. You and your father run. And where all do you run like this? Like near your house? Is there a running path, running trail?
There's a park, there's a forest.
Okay. Is there something you want to share with everybody here, like a message to everybody? You know you're running. I think you're very, very inspirational. You want to share 3 steps. You can be the teacher today, like your teacher tells you, right? Tell them 3 steps they need to take if they want to run.
Stretch, warm up, and never stop. Because your body is already warmed up and then you don't want to pull your body down. So never stop, but just run slowly, even though you're tired.
Is there a song you sing while running? I just get the feeling you sing.
Yeah.
You also sing in your choir.
Yeah.
Is there a song you want to sing for the team here?
Taylor Swift, yeah.
No, thank you.
Taylor Swift fan.
Go for it. I think your father wants to sing along with you.
No, she's a Taylor Swift fan.
Go for it.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, we'll make sure we get a prize. Don't worry about that. At least a banana and we'll get you a handshake from your dad. No, but jokes apart, I think you're a very sweet girl, very sporting. It takes a lot to come in and speak like this.
She came from 54 kilometers.
You came for 54 kilometers. Your father knows your numbers better than you and me. Yeah? Okay. And so what happened after that? 54 kilometers?
Then probably go take.
So I have to ask you this question. You're young, and this answer keeps changing as we grow older. You're 13 years old, right? So this answer just keeps changing. What is important for you? And this is a question for all of you, right? What is important for you and for everyone here, and including your dad? I hope he's holding the camera properly. Okay. Is it the journey? Is it the destination? Or is it the company for you? You sure?
Yeah.
Is it the destination? So just the finish line.
The journey. It also matters because...
Ask 2 more questions, you will get confused. No, I think the answer just varies as you grow older. Sometimes you're just comfortable being alone.
Yeah.
Sometimes you're just comfortable being with people. And sometimes just comfortable that nobody asks you so many questions, right? Thank you so much. You're a great sport. Can we clap for this wonderful girl and a very sporting dad? Thank you. All right. And as we are talking about running, we've got people from all parts of India. And when I mention the place, please tell a yeah or please just say hi. All right. We've got people from Mumbai. Anybody from Mumbai here? We got people from Guwahati, we got people from Kolkata. Come on, people clap. This is Bangalore for you. Let's hear it for people from Bhopal, Pune, Assam, Nagarcoil, Hyderabad, Goa, Bellary, Ghaziabad. All the way from Ghaziabad. Wow. Chennai. We've got people from Bagoli, Maharashtra, Vellore, Rajkot, Noida, Dharwad, Indore, Sandur, Kannur, Kerala, of course. And let's hear it for people from Odisha, Ahmedabad, Tumkur, and of course, awesome, wonderful Namma Bangalore. Can we clap for everybody out here? Let's also hear it for all the 500 runners. This is 500 runners and counting today. 100 plus ultra runners. This is the biggest ultra run in the country. Biggest, the best, and the most fun. Can you clap for everybody out here and for the participants?
Information about the route.